So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on scan options. And now you want to run a full scan. And then click on scan now. This will take a while, but just run this full scan. And now once that's been done, for the last step, you want to run a Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. And then click on scan now. And then click on scan again. And then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer. It's now going to start running this scan for you. Now once that's been done, it's going to take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.